Hey guys, how are you today? In this video, I will show you how to paint shiny grass hair. Step by step, let's begin. First, fill in the base color. Keep it smooth, this will help the shine stand out later. Next, decide where the light hits. Paint ball shapes of light, almost like glass reflections. I will add some white to lift the tone even more. Blend softly along the edges, but keep the highlight sharp in some areas. That's what makes it look shiny. Now I'm adding yellow to give it a touch of blonde. Add a few strands, deepen the shadows, and push the contrast. Now it really looks like glass. And here it is, a beautiful head of hair that looks like glass. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and you can also check it out my newest artwork through the link in the video description. And see you in the next one. Bye!